Hey guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let me get a little closer. Kind of backed up a little bit when I was doing my eyebrows. But today's video is just going to be kind of like a get ready with me. Well, more like a makeup transformation, not really a get ready with me. So I don't have much to say beforehand, so let's get right into it. So I've been starting with eyes lately. I don't know why. I also don't know why I'm about to do my makeup. It's like 6 p.m. I'm not going anywhere. But I'm just gonna do like this brown eye look that I really like. I have been not happy without my eyelash extensions. Hold on, let's balance out the light. I'm priming my eyes with LA Girl Pro Conceal. I did my eyebrows off camera because it would just take too long on camera. Like, it would just take up so much more time than what I feel like it needs. But I'm gonna go in first with Neo out of this Juvia's Place palette. I didn't want to show y'all like the whole palette because it's pretty dirty, but I'm just gonna like sweep that like kind of all over the eye, but kind of try to focus it in the crease. See, it just looks better already. Like, don't leave your eyes with all that concealer. And I only do like the light concealer under my eyes if I'm doing eyeshadow. I try to, at least. Sometimes I just be doing makeup and I forget, so. Okay, and then I'm gonna take like this more like, it's like not as fluffy. I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna go into this Urban Decay Ultimate Basics Naked palette, like the old Naked palette. And I'm gonna take like this dark color on the side and just like pat that into like the outer V. And then use the other brush to like blend it out. Okay, and then as for the lid, I'm just gonna take like any other random brown. Like, you really can just use the browns in any order that you want to. Like, no set thing. I'm gonna go into the Chocolate Bonbons Too Faced palette and use the color Bordeaux out of that. Should I use a shimmery brown? It's a matte. Let's use a matte brown. Was that matte? Okay, so I don't know what's wrong. I think this palette just might be like dried out because I like never use it. But that brown is literally not showing up. Like, I'm like, hold on. I'm like digging my finger into the palette and then there's like literally, there's like nothing there. Like nothing on my arm. So scratch that. We're going back to this one and we're just gonna put it all over the lid. I always debate on how much of my eyes I should do before I do the rest of my face. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the brow bone highlight. I did not bring my highlighter out here. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Oh, I missed my whole. This is why you look in mirrors when you do makeup. You don't look in the iPhone camera. Like, what am I even doing? We're just gonna go ahead with my whole eye because this is like, because I feel like for the purposes of a makeup tutorial, what if some people just want to tune out after the eyes? They should be allowed. So I should just finish the eyes. I'm also gonna highlight my inner corner. And I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm probably gonna cut this out because I believe I already have a lash tutorial on my channel somewhere. And if I do, I'll definitely put it at the end of this video. Yeah, I'll put it at the end of this video. I'm pretty sure that video is still up. Ooh, I actually might have deleted it. Either way, I'm still gonna cut out lashes, but if you guys want to see a lash tutorial, I can try to give you one. Okay, my lashes are on. I really don't like these lashes anymore. Like, looking at them now, I'm kind of like, these are kind of ugly. But I got them from the hair store, and the hair, like the lash like company that I got it from, they usually have good lashes, but I don't know what it is about these that I'm not feeling. Anyways, I'm gonna go to wing eyeliner now. I'm back on the wing eyeliner wave. I had a little minute there where I was off of it, but I'm back now. Wow, these lashes are not cute. Oh my gosh, I am sick. Like, who does this happen to? Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna do like under eye eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take the darker color that I use out of the Naked Basics palette and just put that under my eye. And I'm also just gonna put some mascara under there. Oops, sorry y'all. I'm also gonna put some mascara under there. Alright, now normally I'll put white eyeliner on, but I'm probably not gonna do that today because I don't think my pencil is sharpened and I don't even have the white eyeliner next to me. But white eyeliner would look good if you have small eyes like myself. But yeah, now we're going on to face. I'm gonna start, I just got a new primer, e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Cause I dropped mine in the toilet. Hopefully, y'all probably see that video before y'all see this one. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I look scary. I look like I don't know her name. The one from Emperor's New Groove. But now I'm gonna take my MAC, we guessed it, NW48. It's time for me to switch because it is winter time, but I'm just gonna go NW48 for now. Okay, now we're moving on to concealer. LA Girl Pro Conceal. I have new makeup waiting for me when I get home, so excited for that. Now I'm gonna take my Airspun. People say Airspun has flashback, but it's all about how you use it. Like, you don't need a thick layer of Airspun. Just take some on your like sponge, blow it off, and then just like press like a thin layer in, and you won't have all that flashback. I think like putting on powder, I look like a ghost. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna dust that away as soon as possible because I obviously put on way too much. I got super carried away. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna dust that away like ASAP, like right now. We're not letting that sit on my face. And we're gonna dust it away with my Black Radiance powder, and it's in like my skin color. Like just a flush tone powder. And now we're gonna move on to contour, and we're gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette, and it's like literally nothing else in there. Like I really have to like scrub for a little bit of contour powder. I just need a re-up on everything. Don't we look contour right now? Like, yes. And then I just like to be dramatic and like, cut my cheekbones like that. I guess I have to go get a highlighting brush. Oh wait, look at this little brush from the Black Radiance powder palette. Look at this little brush. That's perfect for highlighting. That's exactly what we're about to use because I'm not going all the way in the bathroom to get no highlighting brush. So we're just gonna make it do what it do. Girl, it's doing the job. It's a little much though, y'all. Like, look, that's a lot. We can't be out here like that now. I've been spending way too much time away from you. Okay, now I'm gonna spray all of this and then do like the touch-ups. That's like really where everything comes together. Because all this face makeup makes you just look like a powdery mess. So you have to spray all of that. And I'm gonna leave all the products at the bottom because I know I haven't really been explaining. I give it a good fan, like I'm really flapping my wrist right now, fanning myself. And then I just take my sponge and like blend over everything. Now, finishing touches. I'm gonna do like my lips because that's the part of me right now that feels naked. So I'm gonna take this NYX lip liner in the color, I don't know the color. Espresso. How fitting. And I'm gonna just wipe off whatever lip gloss I have on. So I just put that around my lips. Then I'm gonna take a little lipstick. And this is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Athens. I like never do lipstick anymore. Like this is it. Like this is the business. And then as you can see, since I did the under eye first, it's pretty much all gone. So I'm gonna dip, actually I'm gonna go into some black. Ooh, sultry. Oh, or should I do this like grayish blue? No, I'm gonna do black. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna stamp that under my eye. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, big thing. Where is that? So big thing, like my eyebrows, like with all that makeup, they kind of like fell to the background. So you just kind of like spoolie them back into shape, back into place. And then sometimes I'll do like one last spray just to be like sure everything is locked in. But anyways, I'm about to go do my hair and I will be back with the finished look. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my edges to lay, I just had to show y'all like my outfit. Like I have on these tights and then like my scarf, like Jersey Shore. If you ever need a cast member, like just know I'm ready, like anytime. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to sit down and just do my makeup for once. Even though I know these videos don't really get all the love and attention, I just like to wear makeup. I'll put on lip gloss, but I obviously didn't rub it in. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the wig from the review. I cut it and it's very uneven. That's why I have one side behind my back and the other in the front. Cause look, y'all, look at that. That's like two different lengths, obviously. So I don't know what I should do. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.